Hi students, the purpose of this video is to give you some important information about your math e-learning assignments that I will post each day. Make sure that you pay attention and that you follow all these directions. The first thing you need to know is that my office hours are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So that means your e-learning assignment will be posted each day around 9 a.m. Also, when you go to Google Classroom each day, you're going to find the assignment that will have the date, and it will say e-learning, and it will say day and whatever day that is, e-learning day 1, 2, 3, or so on. That is the post that you need to look for that will have all of your assignments listed. Let me show you what I mean. If you go to Google Classroom, now your stream is going to come up automatically. So you would need to scroll and find a new assignment that will say, for instance, yesterday's Tuesday, March 17th, e-learning day 2. You may also go to the top of Google Classroom and click on the classwork tab, and you'll notice that I have created a tab called e-learning, and you will be able to find Monday, March 16th, e-learning day 1, and then you're going to look for e-learning day 2, and so on. Now there will also be other posts for those days as well. For instance, your bell ringers will be in a separate post, and your ed puzzles or other videos may be in a separate post. But the one that's going to give you all of the directions will be the one that will have the day of the week, the date, and it'll say e-learning, and it'll give you the day that we're on, whether it's day 3, 4, 5. So make sure that you are looking for that post in Google Classroom. Okay? Once you find that post in Google Classroom, it is very important that you complete all tasks in order for each day. Do not move on to the next task until you have completed the previous one. So let me go back to Google Classroom, and we're just going to use Tuesday's work as an example. You'll notice the first thing that I told you was if you did not complete yesterday's e-learning assignments, do those before you start today's. You would not want to do Tuesday's lesson if you have not completed everything in Monday's lesson. And then you're going to follow the task in order. I've numbered them. Number 1 was your bell ringer. Number 2, you were supposed to complete a page of your notebook. Number 3, you were supposed to watch an ed puzzle that gave you information about that notebook page. And then you were supposed to complete an exit slip, which was a Google form, and that was graded. So make sure that you are looking and completing all tasks in order, and do not go on to task number 2 until you have completed task number 1. You have 2 days to complete the assignments. So that means the assignment that I posted on Monday, all of those tasks are due today, and they will be entered into the gradebook as zeros if you have not completed those after 2 days. So it is very important that you are checking your grades daily in PowerSchool to see what you are missing. Also, if you finish an assignment, let's say I assigned a post on Monday and you didn't finish it until Tuesday, you need to email me and let me know that you have finished that assignment so that I can go back and look and change your grade. But just know that you have 2 days to complete the assignments. Zeros will be entered after that. Now, for each day, once you have finished all tasks, then you're going to go back to Google Classroom, and I had told you to click on Turn In, but there is not a Turn In button. It will say Mark as Done. So each day, once you have finished all the tasks, make sure you click on Mark as Done. That lets me know that you are ready for me to grade any work that you did and look at your answers on any work for that day. Once you check mark is done, and I go back and I'm looking for your work for that day, if I don't see it, it's going to be a 0 in the grade book because you're telling me that you have finished everything. Make sure that you are staying on top of this. Do not get too far behind. If I were you, I would do Wednesday's work on Wednesday, Thursday's work on Thursday, and so on. Do not get so far behind that you're trying to catch up days and days on end. Also, make sure that you are checking your grades daily so that you will know what you're missing, and email me and let me know when you have completed the missing work. Now, if you see that you're missing an assignment, just go back and complete it and then email me. But keep in mind that you do need to do those assignments within 2 days.